Developing now, within the last hour, President Barack Obama announced his nominee for the United States Supreme Court. Our first look at the president's pick and the fight ahead.
Happy now, 2 teens are dead and a third teenager is in the hospital after a stabbing at this local apartment complex. New insight from a witness who helped save one of the victims.
Live, local, late breaking. This is Channel 2 Action News at noon. Coverage you can count on.
This noon, there is a new nominee for the U.S. Supreme Court. Good afternoon to you. I'm Fred Blankenship.
I'm Carol Sparge. President Obama says his selection will bring integrity and even-handedness to our nation's highest court. Channel 2's Aaron Diamond is live in the Satellite News Center with this developing story. Aaron?
Carol, reactions from both sides of the aisle are coming in swiftly since President Obama made his highly anticipated announcement he wants Merrick Garland to replace Justice Antonin Scalia on the highest court in the land.
Today I am nominating Chief Judge Merrick Brian Garland to join the Supreme Court.
And with that announcement, a political showdown begins. President Obama's nominee, 63-year-old Merrick Garland, is Chief Judge of the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals, known as a moderate who has drawn bipartisan support over the years.
Judge Garland has earned a track record of building consensus as a thoughtful, fair-minded judge who follows the law.
For me, there could be no higher public service than serving as a member of the United States Supreme Court.
President Obama says Garland is eminently qualified, but Republicans have repeatedly vowed to block the nomination regardless.
This vacancy will not be filled this year. We will look forward to the American people deciding who they want to make this appointment through their own votes.
It was a promise Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell first made within less than an hour after Justice Scalia's death was announced. Senate Judiciary Committee Chair Chuck Grassley then announced he would not even hold a hearing to consider the nominee. Today, Senate Democrats say they're optimistic about the president's pick.
I hope that President Obama's nomination of an exceptionally qualified and consensus nominee will persuade Senate Republicans to change course.
President Obama also ratcheted up the pressure on Republicans to relent. Well, the road ahead for Judge Garland, what's sure to be a tough approval process. The president is urging Senate Republicans to grant hearings and a confirmation vote on Merrick Garland. He says if they don't, the Senate will be abdicating their constitutional duty. We're live in the Satellite News Center. Aaron Diamond, Channel 2 Action News.